Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your question? How Netflix knows exactly which movie you'll enjoy next? Or how your bank detects suspicious transactions within seconds? How about self-driving cars, intelligent robots, weather forecasting, medical diagnosis, or even space exploration? Believe it or not, one programming language plays a major role in making many of these technology possible, and that is Python. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is used by students, researchers, engineers, scientists, software developers, and some of the biggest technology companies on the planet. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Python programming, explaining why millions of people are learning it, and show you where it's being used in the real world, and discuss the exciting career opportunities it offers. If you have never written a single line of code before, don't worry. This video is designed specifically for complete beginners. So let's begin your Python journey. Hello everyone and welcome to RhemaCAD. I am a CAD and programming instructor with over 15 years of teaching experience. On this channel, I simplify programming and CAD design through practical and easy to follow tutorials. Whether you are a student, an engineer, a researcher, or someone simply curious about technology, you are in the right place. This video is lesson 1 in our complete Python programming series. So if you don't want to miss the upcoming lessons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification. Now let's get started. What is programming? Before we talk about Python, let's first understand what programming actually means. Imagine you are giving direction to a friend who has never visited your house before. You might say, walk straight for 20 meters, turn left at the traffic light, continue until you see a blue gate. If your instructions are clear and given in a correct order, your friend arrives successfully. But imagine if your instructions were incomplete or out of sequence. Your friend will probably get lost. Computers work in exactly the same way. A computer cannot think or make assumptions like humans do. Instead, it follows instructions exactly as they are given. If the instructions are correct, the computer performs the task correctly. If the instructions contain mistakes, the computer produces errors or unexpected results. Programming is simply the process of writing this instruction so that computers knows exactly what to do. However, computers don't understand English, French, Yoruba language, or any human language. Instead, we communicate with computer using programming language. One of the most popular and beginner-friendly programming language in this present world is Python. So what exactly is Python? Python is a high-level programming language designed to be simple, readable, and easy to learn. Unlike many older programming languages that require complex syntax, Python allows you to write programs using clean and straightforward codes. Because of its simplicity, Python has become the first programming language for millions of beginners around the world. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. His goal was simple: to create a programming language that was powerful enough for professionals while remaining easy enough for beginners to understand. More than 3 decades later, Python has become one of the most influential programming languages in the world. Why is Python so popular? You might be wondering, with hundreds of programming languages available today, why does everyone seem to be talking about Python? Let's look at some of the reasons. Number 1, easy to learn. Python has a clean and readable structure that makes it much easier to understand than many other programming languages. Instead of spending weeks trying to understand complicated symbols and syntax, beginners can focus on learning how to solve problems. Number 2, versatile. Python is incredibly versatile. Learning Python does not limit you to one career path. The same language can be used for artificial intelligence, web design, mobile application, robotics, automation, finance, engineering, cybersecurity, scientific research, and much more. One language opens the door to many industries. Number 3, massive communities. Python has one of the largest programming communities in the world. Millions of developers actively create tutorials, answer questions, build open source projects, and contribute free learning resources. As a beginner, you will rarely feel alone because someone has probably solved the same problem before. Number four, thousands of powerful libraries. One of Python's greatest strengths is its rich ecosystems of libraries. Think of library as ready-made toolboxes. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can use this tool to perform complex tasks such as analyzing data, building websites, processing images, or developing artificial intelligence applications much more efficiently. Number five, excellent career opportunities. Python skills are in high demand across many industries. From startups to multinational companies, employers are constantly looking for professionals who can solve real world problems using Python. Learning Python today can create opportunities for employment, freelance work, research, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Where is Python used? One of the biggest reasons Python is so exciting is the incredible varieties of things you can build with it. Let's explore some of the major fields where Python is making an impact. Artificial intelligence. Python powers intelligent systems that can learn, recognize images, and understand speech and interact with humans. Applications include virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and generative AI tools. Machine learning. Machine learning enables computers to identify patterns, make predictions, and improve performance using data. Examples include fraud detection, recommendation engines, and predictive analytics. Data science. Organizations collect enormous amounts of data every day. Python helps analysts and scientists clean, process, visualize, and interpret this data so better decisions can be made. Web development. Many websites and online platforms use Python to power their backend services. Python helps developers build secure, scalable, and reliable web applications. Automation. Many repetitive tasks can be automated with Python. Instead of spending hours performing routine work, Python can complete those tasks in seconds, increasing productivity. Cybersecurity. Security professionals use Python to automate testing, analyze network, identify vulnerabilities, and strengthen digital security. Robotics. Python is widely used to control robots, drone, autonomous systems, and industrial automation. Internet of Things. Python connects sensors, smart devices, and embedded systems, enabling them to collect and exchange data. Scientific research. Researchers use Python to perform simulation, analyze experimental results, process image, and solve complex scientific problems. Engineering. Engineers use Python for modeling, optimization, simulation, automation, data analysis, and designing calculations across multiple engineering disciplines. Who should learn Python? A common question people ask is Python really for me? The answer is yes. Python is suitable for university students, secondary school students, engineers, researchers, scientists, data analysts, software developers, teachers, entrepreneurs, business professionals, and anyone curious about technology. The best part is that you don't need any previous programming experience. All you need is curiosity, consistency, and the willingness to learn. What are the career opportunities in learning Python programming? Learning Python can lead to exciting career opportunities such as Python developer, software engineer, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, artificial intelligence engineer, automation engineer, backend developer, robotics engineer, research scientist. As technology continues to evolve, Python skills are becoming increasingly valuable across healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, energy, agriculture, and many other sectors. What you will learn in RhemaCAD Python series. This is only the beginning. In this complete series, We will progress step by step from understanding the fundamentals to building practical real-world projects. You will learn how to think like a programmer, solve problems logically, work with data, automate everyday tasks, and develop applications that solve meaningful challenges. Whether your goal is to become a Python developer, a data analyst, AI engineer, or simply gain a valuable new skill, this series will guide you through the journey. Every expert programmer was once a complete beginner. The difference is that they choose to start and stay consistent. I encourage you to take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to RhemaCAD channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. I will also love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and answer these 3 questions. What inspired you to learn Python? Which area interests you the most? Artificial intelligence, web development, data science, robotics, or automation? Is Python your very first programming language? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in lesson 2 of our Python programming series.